CarCarePro. It's one of the best things to ever happen to a dealership's service department. In fact, this mobile app is designed to turn a dealership into a trusted service advisor, one who knows what and when services are required to ensure optimum vehicle performance and reliability. CarCarePro has been designed to track the mileage of the vehicle and match it up with the car manufacturer's recommended service schedule. This can allow the service department to send out timely, personalized messages, letting the customer know what service they need. And it can make the customer aware of any deals the dealership is offering on that service. This consistent interaction establishes and encourages a long-term, highly valued relationship based on customer trust and loyalty. CarCarePro also enables any dealer to implement a certified pre-owned vehicle program that awards a Gold Star status to vehicles that are known to have been properly taken care of. For the car owner, CarCarePro is designed to take the mystery out of car maintenance. They can earn points, just like an airline reward program. And it's free, as long as they return to the dealership for service. For the dealer, CarCarePro makes the dealer a trusted service advisor. It's a win-win. For more information about CPOV programs, visit our website